Welcome to glittershinenails. Featuring in this video is the fifth and final stamping plate that Marianne Nails have very kindly sent to me to review, and I think I've left the best till last. You can find all the information on these plates in the description box below. Stamping plate number 26 is just so beautiful. This is what I call a twirly plate because of the style of images, and personally twirly images are one of my favourites. There is 26 designs, but I have taken 31 swatches. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification on. And please also like this video. These really help out my channel. Thank you. I've used my Born Pretty dual clear and white stamper, and I've just used the clear head. And for all of these swatches, I've used 3 different brands of stamping polish, which are Colour Alike, Hit the Bottle and Nicole Diary. These are what have worked best for me. 2 of the images I've taken a few swatches from because they are big in design, and they are the long image on the bottom row, which I've taken 3 swatches from, and then the big flower design at the top, and I've taken 4 swatches from that image. There is a great range of pattern designs along with floral and twirly designs. I think this has to be my absolute favourite out of the 5. If you've missed any, then check out my Marianne Nails playlist. You'll find them all there along with the other Marianne plates I have. I love how these swatches have turned out. I personally think they are gorgeous, and there is yet again, just like the other 4, a few designs that I would like to turn into full manis. It's definitely going to be a regularly used stamping plate for me. And also, just again like the other 4, I've made 2 manis. The first mani, I was trying to recreate one of the swatches. I just couldn't find what glitter I had used. So this was the closest I could get, and it's a really unusual mani for me, but great for the coming spring season. And I've used 2 different images for this design. The second mani, I had recently had this gorgeous nail polish colour arrive, and I really wanted to use it again. And I've just used the large image on the bottom row. And for this, I've just used different areas and then sort of turned the stamper around for each nail. And I love how this looks. I think the flowers just look amazing. Onto some live swatching, and I'm going to be using my Born Pretty dual clear and white stamper, and I'll be using the Painted Polish Midnight Mischief, which is a black nail polish that I used in my last video, and I'll just be placing them onto my lint roller as always, and I'll be taking 6 swatches across the plate. I have noticed that with this stamper, for some reason, I'm not pushing down enough. I'm trying to be gentle, but I'm being too gentle, which is why some images are coming up better than others. I really need to stop doing that. If you have seen all 5 of the stamping plates, do you have a favourite out of them? Mine is definitely this one, and then plate 22, which was my last uploaded video. Marianne Nails really do make some stunning plates that are amazing quality, beautifully engraved, and then with the plastic backing on all of their plates, they get a massive thumbs up from me. I'm excited to return to all of these plates again. Don't forget to check out Marianne Nails' social media. All links are in the description box below, along with their website. They have been putting up some stunning looking plates on their Instagram page. Definitely worth a check out. So once again, a massive thank you to Marianne Nails for sending me these plates to review. Thank you for viewing my swatch review video on this Marianne Nails stamping plate 26. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you did, then please like, subscribe, comment below and share. And also please come over and follow me on Instagram at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.